What up everybody, in the land of Commodore Amigas, RETROCENGO is back with his favorite Amiga in 2023. Now usually if you're a fan of this page, then you know I just love the Amiga 1200. But for the year 2023, we're exiting, it's about to be new year, we're gonna jump into year 2024. I'm gonna tell you about my favorite Amiga of 2023. I want to ask you guys, what's your favorite Amiga of 2023 and why? This is my favorite of this year. I really love this. I really love this Amiga. It's awesome. It's beautiful. It's almost brand new. The case is kindly donated to me by Amiga 1200. Amiga1200.net. I love this crystal case, and if you actually write RETROCENGO crystal limited Amiga 500 case, you will see that I have got 7 videos showing this beautiful brand newly built Amiga 500 case. They also reproduce Amiga 1200 cases. So the case, super nice donation. I love it. I can see the guts of the Amiga 500. It's beautiful and I fully recommend it. The build quality is just 10 out of 10. I love it. It's awesome. It has got some updates. You can still open the site here, but it has got an additional update here you can open up if you build in Raspberry Pi or whatever you want to put in these cases. You have some different options. So what I love the case, it has got, when you put in the screws, it has got metal threads inside, so it doesn't screw into the plastic but into metal. Really nice, because we do like to open these old computers, right? It has got a lot of cooling. You can see here at the RAM expansion you have got a lot of cooling, a lot of air circulation. What a nice product. Just check this out, guys. Look at built-in signatures over here. Love it, so beautiful. So the next part of this Amiga 500 Plus is the motherboard. It's a brand new motherboard. This motherboard is built and kindly donated to me by Screamo. He goes by the name Screamo. The build quality, I mean, look at his soldering skills. It's just out of this world. Looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this board. It's almost brand new. All the components are new. This video hybrid, you can't see it. It's even a PCB board, also brand new build. So the only old parts on this motherboard is actually the custom chips, the Paula, the Denise, the Gary, the Fat Agnes, and this is of course a 2 megabyte Fat Agnes. So the Amiga 500 Plus has got built-in 1 megabyte chip down here and another megabyte of chip RAM in here. So it's rocking the house with 2 megabytes of chip RAM on an Amiga 500 Plus, which is a must for me. I love having 2 megabyte chip RAM. So that's also a built and donated by Screamo. Thank you. So the last part I want to share with you guys is, if you can look inside here, right over there, over the CPU, it has got something called Spitfire 500. And again, if you write RETROCENGO Amiga 500 Plus, you will see my videos reviewing the board. If you write RETROCENGO Spitfire 500, you will see multiple videos me showing this little accelerator card. It's in components, it costs about 40 euros. So if you build it yourself, you can have this beautiful accelerator card for 40 bucks. Why do I call it for an accelerator card? Because it really boosts your Amiga's performance. It uses the old standard Amiga 500 68,000 CPU that ran with 7.44 or whatever, or 7 megahertz. But when you put this Spitfire 500 over it, the thing it does is actually you have the option to activate 4 megabytes of fast RAM. As soon as you put in some fast RAM in Amiga, it will run faster. but it can also go up to 8 megabytes of fast RAM. And as soon as you activate 8 megabytes of fast RAM, then this Amiga 500 is plus is a really fun Amiga to have with WHD load gaming, right? Because 2 megabytes of chip RAM, 8 megabytes of fast RAM, perfect for gaming. The other thing this card can do is run at 7 megahertz, but while in gameplay, okay, in real time, you can just click the switch over. You can just click the switch over and you will run this CPU at 14 megahertz. And at 14, it still runs rock solid, no problems with overheated CPU, no, nothing like that. It still runs amazing, but you can really feel on a lot of games, Flight Simulator, stuff like that, Indy 500, it just runs so much more smooth. For 40 bucks, it's the best upgrade. I really love it. So internal, best upgrade is the Spitfire 500. Check out my reviews. If you want external, I will say the ACA 500. Really nice upgrade also. And as you can see, it has got, if you look right there, it has got a direct compact flash card. I think it's a 16 gigabyte compact flash card with all the OCS, ECS demos and games in the world. You don't need more than that. You have everything built in. So this Amiga is just my dream Amiga of 2023. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to end this video by saying I actually activated Patreon again because this program Zencaster that's recording this wants me to pay every month. Now you're thinking this dude has got pinball machines in the background that cost $20,000 each and every one of them. How can he open a Patreon? I know what you're thinking. If you think like that, just ignore this. But if you think like, I have watched this guy's Amiga videos for years, he has documented so much stuff and I still enjoy it. This costs money, his editing program costs money. I pay every month. I'm tired of it, so I just open Patreon. I have put it on the link down below. So if you want to support this little, I think it's the smallest YouTube channel in the world, then support me with $5 every month so I can pay for all of this and make more retro computing videos. Why not, guys? So consider that. Okay, it's not a must, but if you like what I'm doing, support me. So let me hear what you're thinking, guys. What's your favorite Amiga of 2023? Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Bye.